Hi, Mike's Carburetor Parts, demonstrating the contents of this carburetor kit. This is kit number 6126. It fits some of the Carter AS one-barrel carburetors. We have a couple of different kits for the AS carburetor, so be sure to match your carburetor number up with what we have listed. If you don't have the number, can't find it, take your carburetor apart and match up the parts with what we have in the photo or in this video is one reason we do the videos. This kit comes with a leather auxiliary pump. Apply a few drops of oil to it before installing. You got a couple of check balls. The small aluminum ball generally goes in the bottom of the auxiliary pump well. A new float bowl gasket. Actually, you got a couple of them here. Dang it.